All right, exciting news. So our ChatGPT workshops 1 and 2 are uploaded inside of the World Language Teacher Tech Academy. If you purchase the ChatGPT for Language Teachers course, then just log into your course and you will see workshop 1 and workshop 2 there. In addition, you will see the ebook prompts that Paulina was so gracious enough to share with us. Plus, you will see 2 tutorials already. So we had promised that we were going to release 4 additional tutorials, and 2 of them are already up inside of the Academy. So again, if you purchase the ChatGPT for Language Teachers course, then you have access to this course. If you are also a member of the World Language Teacher Tech Academy All Access Club, then you have access to this course as well. So again, all you have to do is log into your account and check out this awesome resource that Paulino shared with us. So it includes sample prompts. It's got little shortcuts about everything, how it works, how to create prompts, and it's got example prompts. And this is all ready for you to use inside of the course. Okay, so again, if you purchase a course, just go to your account, log in. I'll put the link, I'll attach the link to the course so you can log in and go to it. If you haven't purchased a course, then you can go ahead and purchase. It's $27. Or if you're a member of the All Access Club, which is included, no need to purchase the course again if you're a member of the All Access Club. So just go to your account and log in. Now, if you're not a member of either one, if you haven't purchased a course or you're not a member of the World Language Teacher Tech Academy All Access Club, then I would encourage you to go find out more info about the All Access Club, because not only will you get this course, but you'll get access to all the courses and resources inside of the Academy. So go check that out if you have questions. And if you have questions, you can always message me at rachel@techforworldlanguageteachers.com, or you can find me in the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group. All right, have a great weekend.